Shooter Richard. Alright. Salubona guys, linjani? UCarlos lana, abanye bangibiza ngo-area. So into engiyilandelana ukuthi sizoxoxa ngodaba lwama-films, ngithola ama-movies. Ukuthi karivele why kobulawayo singiye lama-movies asemphakathini. If you look South Africa, banabotsotsi, hijack stories, ama-legendary movies lawana. But when it comes to Bulawayo, we have the capacity to do those films, but asila vini ama-movies asebantwini. Because ngingahamba karesi ngibuza abantu yiphi imovie yako Bulawayo eyaziyo, ayikho abayaziyo, yabo. So into ekhona ukuthi abantu bebenokubuza ukuthi ungawu-area u-area samsusela kuma-streets because sifuna ukumenzela imovie, yangithola. So sifuna ukumenzela imovie ezoba sebantwini, abantu babona ukuthi no, uBulawayo uyarayisa, Bulawayo is going somewhere else, yangithola. But manje into engizibuzayo nayo ukuthi since ngifuna ukupheka imovie ka-area, ngubani ozobhala i-script sangikhona, ngubani ozobhala i-script, ngubani ozoyi-director, i-crew, the whole crew, who's going to handle the crew, the cast. Of course yazi ukuthi kuno-area, but abanye, the cast and the crew, who's going to be part of this film? Help me guys, comment section, what are you saying? Who's going to be part of this film? Take anyone you feel we will take this project to another level.